Guys, you here because your headlights look like mine? They're kind of yellow and awful looking. And you want to know if the 3M restoration kit is worth your time. Now my headlight is kind of yellow compared to this one that's nice and clear. Something that's important to note, if your car's headlights are 20 years old and that's why they don't look good, the rest of the car probably doesn't look that good either. And this restoration kit's likely not the answer to improve your quality of life. But we can try. Important to know, I'm not sponsored by 3M for this video, which means the results will be honest. If they did sponsor this video, I'm more likely to make this product look good, even if it didn't perform that well. Let's see what's in the box. 6 500 grit sandpaper discs, 4 800 grit sandpaper discs, the disc pad holder, notice how squishy it is, a 3000 grit sandpaper disc, 2 clear coat wipes, a nice roll of masking tape, 1 single disposable glove, and a pamphlet of instructions. There are a variety of these kits on the internet, and not all of them have everything that you'll need. I'll link this specific kit down below. Using soap and water, make sure you have a clean surface. Next, you'll want to take this masking tape that they gave you and mask off all of the areas that you don't want to sand, or anywhere that has paint. Now I'm pretty spoiled with the 911 because the headlights pop right out. I don't want to do our restoration with the headlight out because I like the fixation that the headlight has when it's mounted in the vehicle. So I'll tape off the painted areas and then reinstall the headlight. Mount your disc pad holder to any old drill. The first pad you're going to put on is the 500 grit. Mount it to the pad holder and set your drill to 1200 RPMs. It actually says that. Start sanding evenly in a back and forth motion. I think it's a good sign that the dust is yellow. Wipe down the lens to find it's really cloudy looking, which is exactly what we're looking for at this step. Once you have a uniform appearance to your headlight, remove the 500 grit disc and replace it with 800. Repeat the process with your 800 grit sandpaper.
I hate when YouTubers ask for comments. Comment below if you agree.
Remember our yellow dust? Look how much whiter it's gotten. I think that's a good sign. At this point, the headlight's nice and foggy, but it's uniform, and that's exactly what we're looking for. Now the final pad that goes on the tip of your sanding gun is 3000 grit. 3000 grit needs to be sanded wet. Spray soapy water not only on the sanding pad, but also on your headlight. There's really no turning back at this point, so have fun and wet sand your headlight. Definitely don't be afraid to keep this wet. It'll help polish the headlight. Wipe down the headlight to see how you're doing. Don't be surprised if right now it still doesn't look perfect. The headlight looks a lot better. It's still a little hazy, but the yellow's all gone. We can fix that haze with a little bit of clear coat. The last step is the clear coat. This is like a little wet nap, and inside there's clear coat. This is a perfect time to put on the single rubber glove that came with your kit. I guess you're supposed to hold it upside down when you open up your clear coat packet. Don't unfold the wet nap as much as it looks like it's meant to be unfolded. You're just gonna wipe this across your headlight like you're a Zamboni on an ice rink. It's too important to talk during this part. Just focus. I'll be the first to admit, I was not expecting this. Okay, so all the yellow is gone and the headlight looks amazing. It actually looks better than our other headlight, which is in fantastic shape. Now we're gonna have to restore that one. Let this clear coat dry for an hour and then peel off the tape. I'm the one who painted this car, so I'm a little nervous to remove this tape. That would suck if the paint came off with the tape. I'm gonna pour some hot water on the adhesive just to loosen it up. This seemed like a good idea on paper. I'm not positive, but they might have actually done something. While I have your attention, I wanna remind you of one thing. Don't rush any of these steps. Spend a lot of time sanding at each step. It really makes a difference. So the question that you need the answer to, would I recommend the 3M Headlight Restoration Kit to anybody looking to improve the look of their headlights? So take a look at the before and now look at the after. That's an absolute yes. You can't go wrong with this kit. Don't mind this missing piece. I have big plans for these headlights. They're gonna look a little different in the next video. I can't say enough about the 3M Ultra Headlight Restoration Kit, which is exactly why this video is over.